welcome back. So today I will discuss about the file command. So what is the file command? The file command will tell you what kind of file it is. So let me show you directly on the lab. So here we are. Let me open the new terminal. Yes. So let me go to okay. So let me ask this Linux what is the type of home folder. What is its type? See, it's telling it's directory. Okay. Okay. What is the type of, let's say, home Sanjit and my paint? There was one file, I guess, right? File home Sanjit and my paint dot this Debian. So this Debian package, right? This is Debian package. So I just want to know what is this Deb means what kind of file it is. So hit enter. So it's saying it's a Debian binary package. So in this way you can come across multiple things. Let's say let me go to the location like home Sanjit, okay, ls, okay, or let me move towards the etc. There are multiple files, right? Let me move to the, there is a host as well here, right? So what I will do, I will ask my file command, can you please tell me etc and hosts what kind of file it is. See, it's a ASCII text file, right? So in this way you can just come across what kind of file type it is. So this is a very important command. Sometime as a beginner you required this to know the type of the file. Okay, so I hope these things are clear. If you want to look for more like cd, then let me go to the usr shared, okay, and background. Okay, hit ls. Here you can see the all are picture files. So let me come to know about this file. Any picture I can pick. Okay, let's say wati.png. Let me hit enter. Is tell you about this is a wati.file and it is a png image data. This is the pixel. Okay, so this kind of information you can uh, grab from the help of this file command. So I hope it's useful for you right now. So meet you in the next class then.